What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole. Welcome to my channel. I'm giving y'all some Elvira vibes tonight. Like, I'm really feeling like Elvira-esque, girl. Like, whatever. Today, guys, we're going to... Oh, I'm shaking my camera. Today, guys, we're going to be doing Ipsy PR. And I'm excited to see what they sent over this month. So if you guys want to see what you can look forward to in the month of January, please don't move. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Y'all make sure that you take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. All right, guys, so we're going to start really quick with the $13 a month bag. Why am I so bright? Why? Come on, lights, calm it. Oh, girl. Anywho, guys, so we're going to start with the $13 a month bag. This one is the Glam Bag. You get 5 deluxe or sample size products in here with a value of, I think, around $55. The thing with the PR is that they put everything into one box. I hate that it looks so bright. Into one box, so I really don't know what belongs with what, but I'll try to guess. But we're just gonna jump right into the $13 bag. All right, this is what the bag looks like. I am kind of feeling it this month. We do get a card, but it's in the box. Well, let me grab it right quick so I can show you guys. So the theme for this month is happy vibes. All right, perfect. I love the little card. It's very, very cute. We do not get any prices either. So let's see what we got in here. First up, we have from Grace and Stella. It says hi. It says, say hi to hydration. This is a hyaluronic acid serum right here. I do love Grace and Stella's products. You get 10 milliliters of product in here. I won't open it because I'll probably stick it in a giveaway. It does look, no, this might be a deluxe size product. Next up, we have from Do Tube, and this is the Do You cruelty-free, non-toxic what? Oh, it's a hydrating lip gloss. Right here. This looks like a full-size product, so this probably belongs in the Glam Bag Plus, but I am going to open it so we can see this color because it looks very pretty. And it is so pretty. That's the color right there, guys. I am definitely going to swatch this. Ooh, that's the wand. Okay, well, the applicator. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Oh, I love it. I'm going to just add a little bit over top my lipstick. It's really nice. I like it. All right, I'm happy to see this now. I like that product. And then we have in here a extra sculpt volume mascara from Ditto, another little deluxe size product. And we have from what is this, Benefit, the Pore Professional Light Primer. I actually will use this. I have been liking the little hydrating one that I got. This thing is teeny tiny, guys. Look at that. Very small. And then our last product in the bag is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream right here. I do love First Aid Beauty's products, and I'll probably give this to one of you guys as well. So let me hold up what we got really quick in our little bag. I'm sure that one of these belongs in the plus, but these are the 5 items. And I really love the lipstick, well, the gloss, the primer, the First Aid product. I like all of them. So, all right, pretty good start for the Glam Bag. Moving to the Glam Bag Plus. This is the bag for the month, the little smiley face on the front. I absolutely love it. With the Glam Bag Plus, you do get 5 full-size product, and it's $28.99 a month now, I think, and you're able to customize 3 items in this bag. So first up, we have from Huxley, and this is oil mask. Okay, discover precious and strong vitality. You get 3 sheets in here. All right, I am gonna open this so I can see what they look like. Okay, so it is like a little sheet mask. You get 3 of them. It comes with like this little towelette thing here with some liquid at the bottom. So, okay, I'm interested in this. I'll definitely try this out. It looks very interesting, and I'm into face mask now, so okay. And then the next product comes from Cella, and it's a dual liquid eyeliner. Love the packaging, very pretty. We're gonna pull this out and see what it looks like. Oh, okay, so it's a 2-sided liner and what is it? A dual liquid eyeliner. Okay, in the shade blue and black. All right, do I want to open this? I think I'm going to pass this on. I'm not going to open it. I think I'm going to put it in a future giveaway. And we do have this brush right here from Hip Dot. It's an eyeshadow brush. Look like a packing brush. I do love Hip Dot's brushes. Love this. I'm thinking this is in the Glam Bag. I think this is supposed to be in the Glam Bag. 2 more items, guys. And then we have, oh, this Kimchi Chic Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. I actually did choose this in the, oh girl, my nail popped off. Isn't that lovely? It's not Tonyanicole if something don't happen, right? But the show must go on. So as I was saying, I did pick this because I wanted to try it. I know Kimchi is a drag queen, and boo, they makeup be on and popping. So this is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, talc-free, all of that good stuff. Okay, I'm not sure how long it's supposed to last, but we're gonna give it a quick little spritz. I love the bottle, it's so cute. It's pink and green. Let's spray, okay. Ooh, girl, the little mister is very strong. Smells fresh though. Okay, I'm happy to see this. And if I do like it, I'll keep my second one. If not, I will pass it along to one of y'all. Okay, and then the last product comes from Galactic, and it is the Cranberry Sugar Face Scrub right here. I hope you guys are able to see it. I know the lights are kind of bright. I'm filming at night, so I want to make sure that you guys are able to see the products as well as me clear. This is the packaging right there. And let's see. All right, so it comes with a little thing on it. All right, and when we lift it up, ooh, it does look like cranberries. Oh, wow. And ooh, it smells good too. It's a nice sugar scrub. It kind of looks like blood. I love it. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I do. I'm going to take a little bit and put it on my hand. Oh, yeah, it's like a sugary scrub, but it doesn't feel harsh. All right, I like that. All right, and here are some of the products that we received in the Glam Bag Plus. I'm sure that the Glam Bag's products are mixed in with that. Let's do some final thoughts really quick. All right, so this month, I'm actually pretty pleased with the Glam Bag and the Plus. I think we got an equal amount of both skincare and makeup, setting spray, which I always love, a nice brush, mascara. Like, I think we got a nice balance this month. So if I were you guys, I would be looking forward to what's to come. Even though you chose your 3 products, let me know what you got, what you chose, if your products were skincare heavy, makeup heavy, or a mixture of both. Very interested in knowing. But I think for this PR month, I think it was pretty decent. Not mad at it, guys. So let me know what you think. Yeah, I'm very interested. Again, if you want to sign up for Ipsy, I have the link down below. Just click it, sign up, do what you do. Also, guys, all of my social media is linked down below, so make sure you follow me there and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I love seeing new faces, and we are now going to be doing a lot of get ready with me and first impression makeup, all of that good stuff. Very excited for that. I hope you have been enjoying. I put a video out on Wednesday. That's going to be our new filming time, Wednesdays at 5 p.m. I put a video up on Sephora VIB products. Please check it out. You guys will like it. And that's all that I have, guys. I will talk to you guys in the comments and on my next video. I love you dearly. Have a great night. Well, day, evening, whatever. Bye, guys.